This is the second video of using the shortcut method for finding the upper bound and lower bound. Let's come to the question. Here we have the question. Please just watch the video 1 of using the upper bound, finding the upper bound and lower bound using the shortcut method. Here 751 kg is nearest to the kg. When there is a nearest kg, we always divide 1 by 2. Here we divide 1 by 2, that will give us 0.5, and when we subtract this 0.5 from this number 758, so that will become 757.5. So 757.5 is the lower bound. When we add in this number 758, that is 758.5. This 758.5 is the upper bound. Let's take another question, the similar question. 1500 gram, it is rounded to the nearest gram. Here again we don't have any other number, so we divide here 1 by 2, so again we will get 0.5. So when there is no number given, we always divide 1 by 2. So if we subtract this 0.5 from this number, let me check what's that number from the calculator. It is 1500 minus 0.5. It is 1499.5. This is the lower bound, and 1500.5 is the upper bound. So we have subtracted from this number which gave us lower bound, we added this number to 1500, that gave us upper bound. Here in this question, 0.6 meter cube rounded off to the nearest centimeter cube. So what we do, we first convert this number into centimeter cube. Okay, so to convert this into centimeter cube, 0.6, what we do here, we multiply this with 100 3 times. We multiply this number with 100 3 times because it is cube. When it is cube, you should multiply 3 times with conversion factor. So there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter, so we multiply this number by 100 3 times. This number will become 600,000. Now we will find the upper bound and lower bound of this number. So it is nearest centimeter cube. It is not 10, nearest 10, nearest 100. So in this case we divide 1 by 2, that is 0.5, and then we subtract this 0.5 from this number. Let me see here, minus 0.5, it is 5 9999 5 9999 0.5. This is lower bound, and if we add this in this number, it will become upper bound. 1 2 1 2 3.5. So this is how we can calculate upper bound and lower bound using shortcut method when some number is rounded to the nearest whole number or nearest kg, and sometime when we have to convert one unit into another unit, and then we have to find upper bound and lower bound.